Would you love me if I was a worm? This book is the answer to it. So there are basically four characters. One is the main character, Gregor Samsa, who turns into an insect. His sister Greta, who is kind, and she's the only member who actually goes near Gregor, and she gives him food and everything. There's the mother who feels bad for him for not being there for him. She wants to be there for him, but she's unable to do it due to fear. She's very really afraid of father of Gregor is very very rude to him. He literally abuses him, assaults him. There's a part where he literally kicks him into the room. After reading this book, I thought that if one day I turn into an insect or one of my family members turn into an insect, then will I be able to take care of them, or will I even go near to them? How will it feel like if I see a huge insect standing right in front of me? I mean, that would make me afraid. Like, will I feel the same love that I used to feel for them earlier? This book is kind of a metaphor. This is just not about the physical transformation. I think it's about who you become, like if you turn into a person or if you turn into something that is not acceptable by society or by your near and dear ones, then will they really care for you? Will they really love you the same way they used to do before? It's about 80 pages, so it's a light read, but it is heavy. The content is heavy. The Especially the scenes where he is abandoned and abused, those scenes are terrible. It will make you sad. And despite being an insect and despite being treated so badly, I loved the fact about Gregor is that he didn't lose his sense of empathy. He thought that it's better to starve and die so that his family members are like better off without him. So, like, it's like, how does it feel like to slip off from um, being wanted, cherished, because you were the provider, and suddenly you lay down under the bed in the dark, like hidden from the guests because the family is too embarrassed about you. So, like, this book can be interpreted in many 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 ways. um, this is what I felt about it. Bye bye.